Hi everyone, and thank you for joining me today here at the Taubman Museum of Art for a really fun art project. This is to go along with our reading of Pete the Cat and his favorite white shoes. And special thanks to Harper Collins for allowing us to read this book to you friends. So what we're going to be creating are our own favorite shoes. So we're going to be posting a PDF of this fun shoe that you can print out at home or try to draw one yourself if you'd like to and are feeling super creative. And we're going to create our own shoes in different colors. So if you want to, you can grab some magic markers like these. And I've actually chosen to go with some of the primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, because you can actually create a really fun effect by adding a little bit of water to your drawing so that it becomes a little bit like a watercolor painting. And you just want to color however you like. And you color this however you want. You're the artist, you get to choose. And you can use other colors as well to make some additional designs, like I did on the toes and the heel. You can color in the shoelaces a certain color if you want. Then if you happen to have a paintbrush and a little bit of water, just need a little bit, and you start going over your marker, it will actually start to blend the colors. So the yellow and blue make green. And it might take it a little bit to wake up. I'm gonna add a little bit of blue over here because blue and red make purple, hopefully. Let's see. Yeah. There we go. So have fun making your own favorite shoes at home, and when you do, send us a picture of it. We'd love to see what you create. Thanks, have a great day.